Okay, we are standing here on the northwest corner of Nepo Market, Wet Market, Nepo Mall. Just kind of pan around here real fast. Those of you familiar with the area, I'm sure you know exactly where I'm standing. Those of you who are not from the area, well, this is the northwest corner of Nepo Wet Market. So we're gonna walk down this way and we're gonna go inside the produce market, which is right to my left here. What's the name of this place again? Yeah, well, Tapar? What is it?
Camar Place.
Camar Place. I guess that's the name of it. So this is kind of the outside area here. I'm gonna step out here. Hello. Try to work our way around here. So here we are. This is kind of an enclosed area. Just tons of vegetables. Ooh, look at all that. Nice people here. Very sweet. Nice stuff. If you hear me mumbling while I make this video, don't pay no attention to me. I'm getting old. That's my excuse. Yeah. Cool. Quite a bit to take in here. And the reason why is because it's so enclosed. Really tight quarters. And a lot of stuff. Bananas are a little bit different here than what you see back in the United States. They're still pretty good though, I like them. At first I was a little hesitant to eat them because they just basically because they look different. That was the only reason I didn't. So oh. Yeah. That's a good stuff. Oh, hello. Tricked her. Hello. I don't want to get too far here. Oh my goodness. Hello. I'm sure we'll be back there. I lost my wife. Oh, there she is. Anyways, I'm gonna get lost. I'm gonna get lost in this area and just kind of see where it takes me. That's part of the fun, part of the adventure. We'll just kind of walk around. So as you can see, there's more items than just produce. Like cell phone stuff, electronics. Hello. People curious to see what I'm doing. Don't ask me where I'm going because I have no idea. Just walking in circles. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Yeah, this place is pretty big. Suki Market is just across the street. That place is big. I did a video with that of that place not too long ago. The place is huge, and that's right next door as well. I'm kind of more interested in the people than I am the the stuff that's here. Hello, how are you? Bags of charcoal. There she is. I knew I'd find her. Again, as with any other market, I try to stay away from her while she's doing the shopping. Just for the plain fact, she'll get the better deals without me around. Me being the foreigner, it's unfortunate, but it's the way it is. They'll jack up the prices a little bit when they see me running around with her. That's okay. I can just walk around and shoot videos. Works for me. Hi, how are you? Kind of walking over towards the entrance now, back where we came from. I'll go back out and come back in. Little food stalls. Oh, how are you? U.S. U.S. Yep. Pardon me? I live here. Yes. Back there somewhere. I lost her. Yeah, right. All right, there's a side street that. Do you have a wife? There's a side street that comes in from the main road along the east side of the Nepo Market. So. Go back in. Empty stalls. Get away from the music. All right. Hello. Hello, how are you? Good morning. Good, good, good. Okay. Hello. Okay. Well, there you have it. Here's the outside, and we just saw the inside of the fresh produce market, just on the north end of the Nepo market here in Alaminos City. So I want to thank you very much for watching, and we'll be getting some more content out here on the channel as soon as possible. So anyways, enough babbling. Thanks, guys. We'll check back later. Until then, take care, and we'll see you soon. All right, bye.